Everyone keeps telling you online courses are dead. And they're half right. Something did just die, but it isn't courses. It's a specific way of selling them that a huge number of people are still doing right now. Today, and it's quietly killing their sales. In the next 6 minutes, I'll show you exactly what died, the one number that proves it, and what to sell instead. Because the people who don't make this shift in 2026 are the ones who actually get left behind. If you sell a course, a membership, a program, or coaching, this is the one to watch all the way through. So here's the mistake. Almost everyone is making. Their sales dip, they hear courses are dead, and they panic and they decide the whole model is over. But the online learning market did not shrink. It's actually growing, and it's growing by about 8% a year. So if the market is growing and your sales are down, the problem was never the market. It's the kind of course you're selling. And I learned exactly which kind the hard way when I rebuilt my own program last year. Last October, I launched a brand new program with a small beta group. I gave them the content and the live support for 6 weeks. 3 weeks in, it hit me. The support was carrying the entire thing. The content just got people to the call prepared. The actual transformation, the light bulbs, the results happened in the support. The interaction, the community, the content was the warm-up. The support was the game. And that's not just a nice story, that's the whole shift. And here's the number that proves it. Courses with real community and interaction get about 65% completion rate. Without it, around 43. That one structural choice, building in real support, moves completion by 23 points. So here's what actually died. It's not courses. What died is the old model. Sell as much of a self-study program to as many people as possible. Dump them in a giant cohort of hundreds or even thousands of people and give them support for 6 or 8 weeks while they're learning the content. And when they finally get going, the support is over. And you can just hope they finish and they get some results a year later. That model is dead. The new one. People buy your system, your methodology, not your information, your methodology, and they get supported through actually implementing it until they get the result. And the reason it flipped is AI. Information used to be the product. You were the keeper of the knowledge. But now anyone can ask AI to teach them almost anything in seconds. So plain, undifferentiated information. Here's the info course. That's the thing with no value left. What AI can't do is show you your blind spots, keep you implementing in the right order, carry you through the emotional blocks that stop you from taking action, or give you a community. AI hands you every ingredient. It just can't tell you you're about to burn dinner. So if you remember one thing, information is everywhere now. Transformation is rare. So stop selling information. Sell the transformation and build in the support that makes your offer impossible to replace with a search bar. The market didn't die. It grew up. If you want the next piece of this, what's actually working in 2026, I've put a video to watch right here on the screen. Go check that one out. I'll see you over there.